Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from remoteschool.com. Please check out remoteschool.com for all things Moodle. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin on Moodle 4. Okay, so to get started, I'm logged in here. I'm going to click on Site Administration. I'm then going to click on Plugins. I'm then going to click Install Plugins. Okay, you can see we have this install plugin from a zip file. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to Google Moodle plugins. And I'll hit enter here and I'll come into the plugin directories. So when we're logged in here, we'll see we have a whole heap of plugins that do different pieces. You can click show more to see more detail. And there's one here which I'd like to get, if I can see it now momentarily, is this custom certificate. So when I click into custom certificate, and I can see it's currently supported version 4, version 4.1, and 4.2, and I have version 4.1. I have version 4, effectively. So I'm going to download this custom cert, and we can see it's downloaded, and I've clicked on my downloads now. So I'm going to click back into Moodle. Let me just move this, get a bit of room. And we can see now that it's saying just take your zip package and drop it in. So what I'm going to do is going to take the zip package, drop it in. We can see that's there. I'm going to click install plugin from zip. Okay, and it looks like it's all looked good. So let me click continue. Okay, so I'll just pause this while it's just installing now. Oh, we're back here. So we're going to scroll down and this is all okay. So I'm going to click continue. So I'll do the plugins check. Okay, and we'll come down and we'll click upgrade Moodle database now. So let me just pause this. Okay, so it's looking really good. It's all green. I'll click continue. We'll just give it a second here. Cool. And then we have our custom certificate settings. Let's extend this out now. Okay, I want to leave just all these the default. I'll click save changes. And that's it. You've now enabled your certificate plugin within Moodle. So you'll be able to use that within your modules, and we can see, look, custom certificate has been installed. So that was how to install a plugin on Moodle. I do hope it was helpful. And for any Moodle queries, please do go to remoteschool.com or please do comment below. And if I can help, I certainly will. Thank you for watching.